Hi, I'm Mark von Grunter, Director of Benham Reeves, and I'm here today at notable Hayes Village, where Barratt London, the UK's largest developer, have translated a proud industrial heritage into a great lifestyle and investment opportunity right near London's latest superfast rail network. Occupying the site of the former Nestle factory over there, Barratt London intend to build over 1,300 new homes as part of a significant regeneration in West London. Barratt London are creating something really special here by preserving many of the features of the original Art Deco factory building, which will mean residents will benefit from extra high ceilings and large windows. Nestle Apartments is a unique Art Deco building with a great position overlooking 2 acres of gardens, and talking of gardens, there'll be over 9 acres of parks and green open spaces. Transport is convenient, with Hayes and Harlington Station under a 10-minute walk, which will get you to Heathrow Airport in just 5 minutes. And via Crossrail you can get to Bond Street in 20 minutes and Liverpool Street in only 30 minutes. Thanks to the regeneration of other nearby areas and the arrival of Crossrail, homeowners in the wider borough of Hillingdon enjoyed growth of 35% in the 5-year period up to 2019. And in 2020, Hillingdon experienced one of the biggest house price increases at 8%. All of this during a global pandemic and national lockdown. This is a clear illustration of the potential in this area. And rental values are forecast to grow by 18% over the next 5 years, which again will help with investors' yield. There's already a lively local rental market with the large businesses located nearby, including GSK, Sky and Apple, as well as the 76,000 people who work at Heathrow Airport. And with that local demand combined with strong demand for rental properties in outer zones, we fully expect Hayes Village to command up to £1,150 per month for studios, up to £1,350 per month for 1-beds, up to £1,650 per month for 2 bedrooms, and as much as £2,000 per month for 3 bedrooms. Clearly, the exact rent you can achieve will depend on the size, aspect and time of year. But all being equal, we'd expect to see yields of anywhere from 4.5% to 5%. The vision for Hayes Village is to create a new and vibrant family-friendly community close to good schools and amenities, and Barratt London are optimistic about capital growth as the relatively low entry price is sure to attract investment. Global upheavals have been a constant feature of the last 12 months, yet the London property market has shown remarkable resilience and normality is starting to return. Rightmove and Zoopla saw unprecedented amounts of buyer activity, with the highest number of monthly deals agreed in a decade, and traffic on both sites 33% higher in January 21 compared to January 2020. In fact, we at Benham Reeves had one of the busiest run-ups to Christmas in our history, with the number of applicants registered up 43% and website traffic up 32%. In spite of 3 lockdowns, the number of sales agreed in 2020 was up 10% compared to 2019, and mortgage approvals are now at their highest levels since 2007. So we expect UK house prices to remain fairly flat this year, as we expect the end of the stamp duty holiday to be offset by the progress in the rollout of vaccines, record low interest rates and post-lockdown euphoria. The lettings market has stood firm even in the face of significant fall in the student population and travel restrictions affecting Airbnb activity, leading to excess available rental stocks. Rents did soften by 7 to 12% last year, but this is a short-term dip, and positive vaccine news will see a return to normality and rental levels. On a positive note, Tenancy renewals are up over 65% of our tenants renewing this year, and the long-term trend is expecting those renting privately to increase from 33% to 60% by 2025. And Zoopla reports that the proportion of Londoners looking to rent in the capital in 2020 actually rose compared to 2019 for a few reasons. The squeeze on mortgage lending is making first-time buyers turn to renting. People are looking beyond Zone 1. People are focusing on the space in their homes so they can work from home, coupled with increased demand for facilities and access to green spaces. And our most recent survey showed a 96% increase in demand for balconies or patios. So why use Benham Reeves? Well, our services comprise a comprehensive one-stop solution which includes handover and snagging, furnishings, lettings, rent collection, management, and even tax returns. Today, we operate from 18 branches across London, plus 8 overseas, which together with our dedicated Japan and China desks, offer a professional yet highly personalised service to ensure the process is hassle-free and painless. And with 65% of properties managed by us, we can deal with any maintenance issues promptly and efficiently. And even where we don't manage, we can act as an intermediary between landlords and tenants to help the tenancy run smoothly. Number 1, furnish your home as quickly as possible after completion. And there'll be lots of choice, so tenants need to see what they'll be living with. Number 2, make it memorable by furnishing it to a show home standard, giving it instant appeal so it sticks in prospective tenants' minds. And finally, use a professional agent to secure the highest rent in the quickest time to the best quality fully referenced tenant. So, if you're looking to buy a home here at Hayes Village, already own one here or anywhere else in London for that matter, look no further. We will help you achieve the best price. We will get you the maximum rent. We will find you the best tenants quickly, and we will look after everything for you, all in your local time zone and in your local language to help you maximize your investment. So please do get in touch.